Alright, remember I talked about 3 basic maneuver. That's the last one here. So, in order to make it to the, glorified end, let's just delete this because it's like all messed up. Because I rotate this. Shift and A, quickly review what we just learned, adding a Suzanne the monkey. We change the viewports, and then we're going to make it bigger or make it smaller. So that's the third of a basic maneuver that we can apply to the object, which is scale. So we can scale up or we can scale down. So scale will start with initial S. So we can S, and then there's a string here, and orange become white. So we can pull it to the outside. We will scale it up and pull it inside, push it inside. So we can scale it down. So that's the come on, that's so easy, right? So basically I can scale it here, click, and then I can rotate. Then you can see this Suzanne the monkey is a full scaled glorified shape. That's good, huh? Yeah, so basically you can do this to whatever object that you adjust. So for example, the typical cube, and then we can scale it up, right? And then remember, you can apply multiple action to the same objects. So you can rotate, and then you can scale, right? And then you can, of course, you can grab it to move the position, and then you can rotate, and then you can scale up and down and grab to move it here, and then rotate, and then you know what, scale up or down, scale it down. Right, so yeah, right now I mess it up, so you know what, I can cancel everything by click the secondary mouse, boom, go back. Okay, by the way, the reason that sometimes you will just mess things up, that's because you scale, you can just, you can go to the extra scale. So basically you can scale it all the way down, and then you can scale it up. So basically you walk past that threshold. So it's like a positive become negative, negative positive, like it inverts everything. Yeah, so basically it can go all the way down, then you can get all the way up. Okay, so that's and for example, if you like go all the way up and then just to become too big, and then you're actually inside the cube, that's where things got messed up, and then you can just secondary click and then you go back. And if you accidentally like confirm it, don't need to worry, you can always Control and Z sort of undo the action to go back to the previous confirm step, and then just continue to your maneuver. So that's the third. Congratulations, that's the third. That's all 3. Grab, G for grab to move position, and R for rotate to rotate position clockwise or anti-clockwise, and scale, S for scale it up, make it bigger, or scale it down to make it smaller. Okay.